Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the Sunshield on your LS2 Spitfire helmet. First thing you want to do, drop that Sunshield all the way down. And from there, just grab a hold of that helmet, grab a hold of that Sunshield, and give it a good pull. It is in there pretty tight and secure, so it takes a little bit of doing, but that tab will release from the helmet and the carrier there. Now go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, like so. So that tab again is pretty secure, so this thing really isn't going to go anywhere when you're actually on a ride. Now to reinstall this, what we need to do, make sure the carrier that holds the Sunshield is in the furthest down position that it will go. And we line this up. Sometimes it takes a little lining up, a little doing to get it fully lined up. Once we get it lined up, we want to just kind of press it in, and it will usually give us a little bit of a thud when it gets all the way seated, but that one, I think we're good there. Let's double check it once we're got the other side installed. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side. Make sure that carrier is in that down position, line up our tabs, and then give it a good pull. So that time you heard that thud. And from there, now I can open and close this a couple times. Make sure it's not rubbing across the top. This one looks like it's actually lined up and seated properly, so we're good to go for a ride.